Test for divisibility of numbers. First, divisibility by 10. If a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3. The rule says that sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. For example, the number 225. Sum of the digits is equals 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9. Check the number 9 is divisible by 3 or not. See, 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, so we can say 225 is divisible by 3. Okay. Divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, both, then it is divisible by 6 also. Divisibility by 3. The rule says that sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. For example, the number 225. Sum of the digits is equals 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9. Check the number 9 is divisible by 3 or not. See, 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, so we can say 225 is divisible by 3. Okay. Then divisibility by 6. See an example 2466. Check whether the number is divisible by 2. Yes, the number is divisible by 2 because the last number, that is the ones place number is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. Next, check whether the number is divisible by 3. How can we check? Add these numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 divided 3. 18 divided 3 is 6. So we can say that this 2466, that is 2466 is divisible by both 2 and 3. That is 2466 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 2466 is divisible by 6. Let's see another example. 1626. 1623. Check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. First, check the number divisible by 2. How can we check? This is not divisible by 2 because the ones place number is 3. 3 is an odd number. So we cannot do. We can't do or we cannot do by 6. Next, divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 4. 9532. See this number 9532. See this ones and tens place number. Which are the numbers? 32. Check the number 32 is divisible by 4. See, 32 by 4 is 8. So, we can say 32 is divisible by 4. So, this number 9532 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility by 8. See an example, 73512. This is 73,512. Check whether the number is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digit number. Check whether the number is divisible by 8. How we can do? Without dividing. See these ones, tens, hundreds place number. This is 512. Check whether the number 512 is divisible by 8 or not. See, 512 divide 8. What can we do? See here, 6 8s are 48. Here, what is 32? How many 8s in 32? 4 8s in 32. 4 8s in 32. Then subtracting 0. So, the quotient is 64. No remainder. So, we can say this number 73,512 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. See an example, 2,592. Check whether the number is divisible by 9. So, add these digits 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2. What is the number? 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 divides 9. 18 divides 9. Okay, 18 divides 9 is 2. So, this number 2592 is divisible by 9 because the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Then we can say this number 2592 is divisible by 9. Without doing the division, we can see what is adding the numbers. We will get this. Okay, just listen here. 2592. Check. Okay, is it correct or not? See, 2 9s are 18. Then here 7. Then 79. In 79, what is 8 9s are 72. Subtract. Then 7. Again 2. Then again here 8. 8 9s are 72. So the quotient is 288. No remainder. So this number is divisible by 9. Without doing this, we can understand. Add these digits, then the sum is divisible or not. You check. Then we got here, this number is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. Find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Next, divisibility by 11. How to check it? Example, 308. See this number, 308. 308. Here 3 digits are here. Check whether the number is divisible by 11. Without doing, how we can do? See, how can we do is, which is the ones place number here? The number is 8. Which are the odd place number? That is ones place, hundreds place. Like these are the odd place numbers. This is the evens place number 0. Okay. Sum of the odd place numbers. Right. Sum of the odd place numbers. Odd place. Odd place number means ones and hundreds. So, what is 3 plus 8? That is 11. Okay. Then, sum of the even place number. Even place. Sum of the even place equals. Sum of the even place means only 0 here. So, 0. Then, difference between sum of the odd place and sum of the even place. Their difference is equals 11 minus 0 means 11. 11 minus 0 means 11. That is, here the difference is 11. So, the number is, the 308 is divisible by 11. So, this 308 is divisible by 11. Another example, 1331. 1331. Sum of the odd places. See, these are the odd places. Sum of the odd places. Equals 1 plus 3. That is ones place, hundreds place. 1 plus 3, 4. Sum of the even places. Sum of the even. Okay. Even places equals even place. Tens place, thousands place. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Difference. Their difference equals 4 minus 4 equals 0. Here the difference is 0. So the number 1331 is divisible by 11. We are getting the difference 11 or 0. So in this case we got the difference is 0. One more example. 61809. That is 61,809. Check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. How to check it without doing? We can check. See, sum of the odd places. Sum of the odd places equals odd places. Listen here. Ones place, hundreds place. Ones place, hundreds place. Here this is 10,000 place. So these are the odd places. 9 plus 8 plus 6 equals 17 plus 6, 23. Then sum of the odd places. Sum of the here odd places. Then sum of the even places. Sum of the even places. See here. Even places, tens, here thousands, tens and thousands. These are the even place numbers. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then the difference. What is the difference? Equals 23 minus 1, that is 22. 22. See this number 22. 22 is divisible by 11 or not? Check. Yes, 22 is divisible by 11. So, we can say that this number 61,809 is divisible by 11. First, check this. See here. First, we getting the number 61,809 from this sum of the odd places. Odd places 9 plus 8 plus 6. Then sum of the even places 0 plus 1. Then getting the sum, after this see the difference. This is the difference. Then check whether the difference is divisible by 11 or not. Then this is the easy method of checking divisibility by 11.